Well, if you see in the last 6 sessions, it was very clear that the fall in broader market was much more than what it was in the benchmark. Benchmark was down around 4.8%, but the broader market, that is Nifty Midcap, was down around 6 odd percent, while the small cap index was down close to 5.1 odd percent. Now, the levels that we were talking about post yesterday's fall, Nifty 50 was at its lowest level since June 27th, and it was below its 50 and 100 DMA. Nifty Midcap was at its lowest level since August 18, and also below its 50 DMA. Similarly, with Nifty Small Cap, it was below 50 DMA, and also it's at its lowest level since September 1st. How was the RSI looking after yesterday's fall? Nifty Mid Cap and Nifty 50 both were in the oversold zone. Nifty 50's RSI was at 26.7, which was its lowest since March 2020. That is the COVID lows that we had seen. For Nifty Mid Cap, it was at 29.2, which is at its lowest since December. And for Nifty Small Cap, RSI was still at 40, which was at its March 2020 low that we had seen. Now, if you see, in fact, March 2023 low that we had seen. When it comes to Stockwise Performance, if you see in Nifty Mid Cap and Nifty 50, only two stocks managed to gain in the last 6 trading sessions, that is Nestle and Bajaj Auto, with gains of around 1 to 2%. But on the loser side, it's UPL, Adani Enterprises, Bajaj Finance, Wipro and JSW Steel, which were among the top 5 losers, anywhere down between 8 to 10 odd percent. In Nifty Midcap, only 4 stocks managed to gain in the last 6 trading sessions. It's Prestige Estates, Persistence, Ipca Lab, Tata Elxsi gains of anywhere around 0.2 to 10% in these stocks. And when it comes to the loser side, 3 of them were PSU companies, that is IGL, Bank of India and FACT, that is fertilizer company. Then there is Biocon and Tata Communication as well. And when it comes to Nifty Small Cap, only 7 stocks managed to gain in the last 6 trading sessions. That is BSC, Angel One, Credit Access Grameen, MedPlus and Suzlon, and gains were anywhere between 6 to 22%. On the loser side, it was NMDC Steel, Hutco, Triveni Turbine, HFCL and MRPL. Now, how bad was the fall beyond this 3 major indices that we are talking about? Now, as per Bloomberg, there are close to 5,686 stocks listed in India, and in the last 6 trading sessions, 62% of them were declining in trade in the last 6. And the fall was much more when it comes to the micro cap, because if you see companies below 500 crore market capitalization that fell, that number was close to 2,100 stocks that were below 500 crore market cap. Now, sectoral wise, if you see, it was Nifty PSU Bank that declined the most, followed by Nifty Metal, while the fall was least when it comes to Nifty FMCG, Nifty Auto and Pharma. Clearly defensive, Pharma and FMCG were the least that were impacted. And when we compare it with global bench indices, India was not the worst performer, although there was Nikkei, Taiwan and Korea, which had fallen much more than what India had fallen. Korea stock exchange was down now 6.8%. Nikkei was down close to 4.8. India was down 4.9. Other than that, China was down around close to 3.5 odd percent. So India was not the worst performer, but obviously among the top 3 or top 5 worst performing index even globally in dollar terms, if you see.
So yes, we're clear